pantry.
You thought he was blind?
Scare our mom and Abby.
There's no more trail.
You'll be just fine.
Checking out Josie's cabin.
Maybe it's like still here.
See how like
Wait, how long
in
ago was it?
1900s is that? See how like in between all the logs is like this clay? Put that to keep it warm and keep bugs out and stuff. No carpet.
Look, fire.
Nice. Windows to check out her great view.
Closet or something?
Yeah, probably some shelves for her.
Where she would sleep.
Yeah, I don't know.
Here? There?
I don't know. Pretty cool though.
Still there. Fire pit.
Pretty sweet. It's amazing.
Mom, I burped out of my nose. Once, when I was in the RV, so I was drinking Gatorade, and then, so I drank it, and then it came out of my nose, and I thought it was blood.
You thought he was blind?
It's the pantry, I can tell. There's a shelf. And she locked it up.
Here is Josie's front yard. She picked a good spot with a nice view.
If you are still with us on this vlog, you win the award for sticking around. Leave us a comment to let us know that you made it this far. After we were done exploring Josie's cabin, there was a little hike just behind it, and I swear the best things that we find, they're not like the main attraction, they're these obscure little paths, you know, off of the main path, and that was this hike.
Oh, those is connected. Wow, look at that cave up there. Look, Glenn. Get up
I
there.
can sleep in there.
Try to climb up there.
Try.
Try to climb up through there and go down the other side.
I don't think I can. I want to
Use
try.
mine.
Oh.
Oh yeah, there you go. Oh, your mom's coming.
And
Get ready to scare her. She'll never see you. Hello.
how do I scare her?
I don't know. Hide right there.
Under there and jump out.
Scare our mom and Abby.
Someone's here.
Yeah, we're getting to the end of this canyon and it's awesome. Just towering above us. There's a huge echo here. Woo! Woo woo! Yay!
Or not easier, quicker. At least I think.
Keep your eyes peeled for snakes.
Oh, yeah.
There's no more trail. No trail, no problem.
Go this way.
Right there.
Here we go. You're going Dad's way?
Did Dad go that way?
I don't know. Good job, Lost.
I'm coming up.
Poppy and Landon keep going. They keep going up.
Why?
Because they're trying to get to the top. Look at this. This like almost looks like it like used to be closed off almost. Like that type of rock is like the same as this. These walls are all around us. Made it as far as we can go. The reason we can't go any further is that ends and then just a drop off. So only other way forward would be down. You probably could hike right up the middle. I'm sure people have. Right up the middle, rock, and then gotten on that. But we're not gonna do that today.
Thank you guys for watching this vlog. If you like this vlog, remember to like it and share it and subscribe, and we will keep you posted. We'll be in another state soon, so I can't wait to share where we're headed.
Here's the view from the top.
We're close to the top of this thing.
We're not far. Now we gotta get down safely.